function. This is our topic for today. This class is belong to Mathematics Olympiad. Mathematics Olympiad. We have one example. This example is we have to find two questions, two problems here. The number one is let A equals log 7, 4 times log 7, 5 minus log 7 to this times 2 over log 7, 25 times log 7, 8 minus log 7, 4, okay, times 4. Find the value of 5 to the A power. That's the first question. And the second one, number 2, let B, all these problems, length 77, 4 times log 77, 4 minus log 77, 2, divided by log 77, 25 times log 77, 8 minus log 77, 4. Okay, in this case, we have to find the value of 5 to the B power. 5 to the B. The first one, 5 to the A, and the second one, 5 to the B. Okay, let's solve the problem. Started like this. A equals, let's see, A equals, we have to work in this area first. So log 7 here, log 7, we have 4, we can write 2 to the second power here, times log, okay, log 7, fifth divided by, or fifth half, or 5 half, okay, over log 7, we have 25 here, we can write 5 to the second power times log 7, 2, okay, this is equals, simplifying, must to be equals, here we have 2 log 7 here, 2 times log 7, 5 half, all right, and the value divided by 2 log 7, here 5 times log 7 times 2, okay, equals, if you simplify this, you're going to have log in the top, log 7, okay, you cancel this, you cancel this one to this one, and then this one to this one. We are gonna have here 5 half on top over log 7, 5 equals log 7, no, here is not log 7, it's going to be log 5, because cancel, log 5, 5 half, okay, 5 half. Next step, all right, here we have, so we have 5 to the A power equals 5, so then the conclusion here, 5 log 5 to the times 5 half, so this is equals actually 5 half, all right, the answer. And the first 5 to the first one, and the second one, this is, you need to be smart. This the second one here, just write it number 2 solution. So the computation in one So in problem 1, parenthesis 1 does not depend on the base. On the base of logarithms or logarithms, okay? So phi to the b power is equals phi half, okay? It's phi half, okay? That's the answer. All right, 2 questions to answer in this problem, in this mathematics problem. Find the first one, find the value of phi to the a power, and the second one, find the value of phi to the b power. Okay, you have both answers here. Just I'm gonna give it this. I leave all the information here. I'm going to eraser. I don't want to eraser, so check it later again. All process, see the problems, the first information, the first data, check the second problem, the data, review, list, review, and then see the answer, how development the answer. These kind of problems for Mathematics Olympiad, you need to be smart, and actually sometimes you don't have to do all the steps. Just try to make a reasoning and then try to develop all process to find the right answer. In this case, this is the right answer. So thank you so much. See you next time.